How to let others share your post on Instagram story. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right, and then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy, and here scroll down till you find this section that says how others can interact with you. From there, click on sharing and remixes, and here you will find the option that says allow post sharing to stories. And as you can see, it says when this is on, people can share your posts to their story and your username will always appear. So click on the toggle next to it to turn it off. And once you do that, people will be able now to share your post to their stories. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can allow your post sharing to others' story on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.